Well, I'm finished with the prep work for the shadow box. Roughly that's how it's going to go with the bayonet scabbard here. Up here I'm going to put cut out a moon and a star, which is the Turkish flag symbol. I'm going to put a clip, a real clip, in that sticking out, maybe. I don't know. I doubt it. But I'll put them down here somewhere. All right, now I just got to burn it. I need to get some wood putty because I don't like these little brad marks. But that's it. Next time you see it, and on these bayonets, it's holding it up, I'll put some bolts in there to hold that. And I'll cut the bayonet off in the back here, so. And don't give me any grief, these are cheap. They made 1 billion of them. These people that sell those for $100 each should be ashamed. But anyway, that's it. Next time you see this, it'll be all burnt, lacquered, ready to go.